What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy B Dodds. Alright, so for the past week or two, I've been driving around and my friends and family has been telling me that my tail lights haven't been showing up in the daylight because they're look. I tinted these with a Plastidip I don't know, 2 years ago probably 2 years ago. I made a video on it and it's just it's time to go, it's time to get off, and I'm probably gonna redo them with an actual film tint or something because it just a lot better. And so it's super thin because I didn't want to make them super dark, but they just gotten really matte over the years, so it's just time to take them off. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to Walmart real quick and I'm just going to get some bug and tar remover. I've been doing some research and it said it's the best thing, the easiest way to take off Plastidip. So I'm just going to go to Walmart right now and then we're going to try to take this off. Alright. So I'm going to be taking my mom's car just because she has a Honda Accord, an 06 Honda Accord. This thing hauls. Ooh yeah, VTEC. Alright. Sick. I'm just gonna head over to Walmart and then let's get to it. You know, my mom drives that automatic, automatic life. So I have this free hand I can just record with. I do a little pull a little bit when I get on the actual street. I just get it. Mustang just cut in front of me. Gosh. He got scared of the VTEC, so he had to cut in front. He didn't want to get passed by a Honda. Ooh, look at that. F-type. God, this Mustang driver is so bad. Alright, we're here at Walmart. You know, a 2-minute drive from my house. Super easy. Okay, so I don't know where to find that bug and tar remover at, but I'm just gonna go to the car section. I don't know, it's the most logical place. Fucking bug. And then I'm just gonna take you around the store and hopefully I can find it. Alright, we in Walmart. Almost to the car section. I think it's so funny walking around in public with the camera, because then he will just look at you and it's what is this guy doing? And it just give you the weirdest looks. Whatever. Okay. Oh, getting close. The brand I was looking for is RainX, so somewhere. Oh. See, that's bug remover, but I need the spray. Little spray bottle. No. I don't think it's over here. Maybe. Nope. No. I don't know where I'm at right now. Alright, so I guess I'm just like clueless, but it was down the aisle that I just literally just walked down and I just completely missed it. So I'm gonna get this right here. It's called RainX. It looks pretty, it's pretty good. Alright, let's go buy it. I don't think I need anything else. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go buy this and then we're gonna go test it out. So we are now home. Here's a bug and tar remover by RainX, and just read it, and it says so spray it on there, just wait for like 3 to 5 minutes to let it soak, and then just wipe it down. So I'm just gonna grab my like microfiber towel that's like pretty dirty, so I don't really care that much. And it shouldn't ruin your tail lights or anything because like it's like made to clean your car, so it should be alright. Alright, let's just spray on it. Alright, let's just let that soak in there real quick and then wait a little bit and then come back. See, if you look, I don't know if like GoPro can catch it, but it's picking up a little bit of black debris, so it looks like it should be coming off. Alright, so it's been a few minutes already. I'm just gonna try to rub this off real quick. Oh wow, it's coming off like really easy. Like I'm barely putting any pressure on it. It's looking like it actually works. I might just have to put like a few more coats on it like on there. Besides that, like it looks like it's working. I have to like spray like some more on there, let it soak in. Oh, look at that. It's just coming right off. Cool. Okay. Look at that. Alright, so it looks like it's working. It works. I just have to like spray some more on there and then let it soak in. I am going to thoroughly just wash this, rinse it all off when I'm done. So you don't want the stuff to sit on your car, you know. It's like really greasy. It's gonna collect a lot of dirt and stuff. So gotta get rid of all of that. Just really soak it in there. I don't know why they don't have like a mist thing. This is like spraying just like in a straight line. Yeah, it's like dripping all the way down here, but oh well. So just gonna let that sit in there, and then we'll just go work on the other side. See, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reuse this rag or not, but it's alright. I mean, rags are pretty cheap, so. Let's move on to this side. I got a little bit on my Civic, but because that's also Plastidip, I'm trying not to get on that. Alright, yeah, that's a good amount. I'm just gonna let it sit on there. Alright. It's fully covered. This is fully covered. Just gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm trying not to let it dry because like, you don't want it to dry, then it's gonna be hard to take off. I really need to wash this afterwards because it's really gonna mess up everything. Alright, so it looks like I need to do probably one more cut of that stuff and should clear off every single thing. So, but I'm just gonna go on to the other side real quick. Honestly, probably should have put gloves on because this is getting on my hands and I don't know if it's bad or not. So, I mean, it's a chemical, so I'm probably just gonna go wash my hands real quick and then put some gloves on because it's like, I don't feel comfortable. Make sure you put gloves on, don't make the same mistake I did. Alright, and just let that sit again. Look at all that drips. Like, it's drainage everywhere. Like, I really need to clean this up. Alright, so now everything should be coming off. Hopefully. This stuff works. Like, it's good. See, most of it's off. I just have to get a little bit of it. Still a little bit left. It's like really, really thin layer. I doubt you guys can see it. Alright, sweet. So, I mean, I don't think you guys want to watch like me do everything. So I'm just going to stop it here. And I'm just going to clean everything up and I'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, so here is the final result of this RainX. So there is a little, like barely just a little bit, like a super thin layer, but you can barely even see it. So it's not like that crazy. So it's nothing, I don't think it's gonna affect anything. So like, it's fine. This side has a little bit more, a little bit thicker there. It's like, this side was really hard to get off for some reason. I let it soak for a while, put a bunch of coats on it. And here is the rag. I recommend you not use, or like use a rag that you're not gonna wanna reuse again, because the stuff does not come off the rag. I tried to clean it so many times, so you just have to just use a rag. I'm just gonna toss it. So just use a rag that you're not gonna want anymore. Yeah, so I'm just trying to clean up all the excess of it because it dripped literally everywhere, and I guarantee there's some inside this this light right here, but I rinsed everything off. I tried cleaning it off and everything. Like you can kind of see a little bit. It's like some stuff, but for the most part, it did like its job. You know, it did a pretty decent job because it wouldn't even come off before anything. You know, so it's pretty good. All right, well, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.